There needs to be greater synergy between the public and the private sector if the potential of the digital economy is to be fully exploited by putting in place conducive policies. Alex Mwangi now delves into the pertinent matter regarding policy making.
The ability of education to help the youth acquire the required skills to fit in an ever-evolving world where the concept of work is completely different from yesteryears is being put to the test.
Problem right now is how we are set is that even if I graduate with a Bachelor of Science in technology, that technology that when I went in first year has rapidly changed, if not obsolete, by the time I graduate out of university.
Technology has now become a way of life, and in order to take full advantage of the maximum potential of the digital economy, it is now becoming increasingly imperative to scale up the types of partnerships in policy making.
So perhaps what we need to look at is how do you co-create curricula between educationists and industry? Because industry will be very much aware of what is changing. And so there's that permeation between industry and education is where you actually get somebody from the industry within the education system.
As measures to operationalize the Africa Continental Free Trade Area are accelerated in the hopes of opening the continent's borders to trade mid-next year, those in the tech space are hoping that facilitation for the digital economy is being given the prominence it deserves.
To date, I think we've been talking about it much more in terms of the flow of goods. But when you think about the digital economy, this is the flow of services, this is the flow of cloud. And we really need to think about what the policy frameworks are that will allow those digital companies to be able to transcend borders.
For the success of the ACFTA, African governments are being urged to put in place the foundations of a digital economy which include digital infrastructure, literacy and skills, financial services platforms, as well as digital entrepreneurship. Alex Mwangi, NTV.